Hey T, welcome back to my channel. So I haven't posted a video in like months. It's been a while since I've been on YouTube, but I am back. I wanted to pop this in the beginning of this video before we get into the vlog because I've been having so many people ask me about my skincare routine and what do I do for my skin, and I want to show you guys what I've been doing for the last like 2 or 3 weeks, what I've been using and how much I love it. All right, so I bought these lights on Amazon and I put them around my mirror because the light in here, let me show you what it looks like without the lights. It's literally yellow in here and I hate yellow light, and these lights make such a huge difference, and I basically just put them around my mirror. So I'm just gonna put my hair into a bun and then I'm gonna put my bow on. I buy these from like Marshall's, TJ Maxx, they have them all the time. And I just put this on just so my hair won't get wet because I don't want my hair to get wet, obviously. Okay, so for my skincare routine, I've been using the Banish 2.0 system. And if you've been following me on TikTok, you know I always talk about reproductive health and your overall feminine care. And anytime I talk about it, I always say, anytime you experience any symptoms of like yeast infections, bacterial vaginosis, UTIs, basically your symptoms is just the way that your body is telling you that something's wrong. So a lot of times your symptoms might be fishy odor or you know, burning sensation or itching, anything like that. It's basically your body telling you that something is going on here, something is wrong, and we might need a little assistance. So the same thing goes for your skin. A lot of times we experience pimples or bumps or breakouts or problem areas, and most of the time it is just your skin and your body's way of telling you that something is wrong, whether it's something that you can change in your skincare, whether it's something you can change in your diet, or something that you're doing every day, or taking your medicines, your vitamins, anything. So I've been having like these problem areas on my skin, like on my cheeks, which is not too bad right now, but you can kind of see a little bit of the scarring around my cheeks. So I've been doing this lately, and honestly, that's kind of why there's no bumps there, because it takes everything away. The Banish 2.0 kit comes with the micro needling tool, the vitamin C cream, and the Banish oil, but you can find all of these products on the website. I started first by cleansing my micro needling tool. I filled the cap up with alcohol, and there's a line on the cap to let you know how much liquid to pour into it. And then I just took the tool and stuck it in there and just screw it on, and it just stays on, and I allowed it to soak for about 5 minutes. And then I went in with the All Clear Mint Cleanser, which is like a gel consistency, and it felt so good because the mint felt cooling. Next, I grabbed the pumpkin enzyme mask, which was crazy because it really looked and smelled like pumpkins. So I took one of my old foundation brushes, which I always use for my face mask. I just feel like they are easy and simple to use for face masks. And I spread the face mask all over my face, and I let the face mask sit on for about 15 to 20 minutes. And now my face is tingly, but I read the directions and it says that that is a normal feeling. So my face is just like tingling right now. I feel like it's doing something. I don't know what it's doing, but it's doing something. So this is the part that I'm most excited about, which was the micro needling tool. And the tool is just a wand with a bunch of needles on one end that I'm pushing into my skin. And basically micro needling helps to promote new, healthy, glowy skin. Next, I applied the vitamin C cream, and y'all, one thing I'm going to do is moisturize. That is like my main step of life. And anytime I moisturize, I apply it all over to my skin, and I always apply extra underneath my eyes. Lastly, I went in with the Banish oil, and y'all know I love oils. I just feel like oil is the secret ingredients to life. Alright, so this is what my skin is looking like now. I feel like I've been to the spa. I feel like my face is cleansed, and I feel like I'm ready to go to bed. And like I said, every time I do this routine and wake up the next day, my face is cleared more. Because when I first started, all of this was bumpy. And you can kind of see where it was, but it is clearing up. And I'm like, I'm going to leave the link for the Banish 2.0 kit down in my description box below, so if you guys want to try it out. And if you do try it out, DM me on Instagram or leave comments under this video and let me know how you like it. And if you don't do anything, please run and get this mask. I'm obsessed with this mask. I'm gonna put the direct link to this mask down below also. I'm gonna go ahead and get into the vlog. So it's the next day and this is what my skin is looking like. I have on makeup, but I haven't posted on YouTube in a while. It's been a while since I posted on YouTube. I don't even know what to do. I'm just like, what do I say? What do I do? We're about to go out and hang out today. I got some content I need to get. I'll probably stop at Starbucks. And yeah, so that's what we're about to do. Got my Danish that I wanted. So good. I have to get a long list of content for an interview I did, and they want me to send them videos of me just living regular life, but I don't live a life, so I have to fake living a life. So that's what I'm about to do right now. I'm at a shopping center with like Ulta and stuff in it, and I'm gonna make it look like I'm shopping. It's recorded. A video of me getting in the bed, out of bed, entering the room, around my city, looking out a window, getting choosing an outfit, putting a mask, drinking a cup, sitting behind the laptop, scrolling through your phone. I have to take one covering my crotch. What I'm doing. I can't make a facial expression. Come on with me. We're gonna get some content today. The drink that I got today at Starbucks was a matcha lemonade. Delicious. Wait, where's my phone? Going straight to the makeup section. Misha. I don't know what Misha is. Never heard of it. Never heard of you, girl. Liquid highlighter. That gives me anxiety. It's a moisturizer. Don't know, I'm not seeing anything. Alright, so the clip that I just showed y'all was basically a woman who thought I was stealing in TJ Maxx. And I was thinking to myself, like, do she not know I can see her looking at me out the corner of her eye? Like, just basically watching me. I could literally put my hand on her shoulder and she's just like watching me so I don't steal, which obviously I was not stealing. I was just looking at makeup, but every time I touch makeup, I just know her heart started racing because she thought I was gonna steal it. But I thought it would be funny to get her on video because, like, what are you doing, miss? She came all the way from the jewelry section to like be next to me. Very close. What do you want, ma'am? You're in my way. Can I please shop for makeup in peace? I'm back home now. I just got off TikTok. I was on TikTok live. And I always go live on TikTok sporadically. Sometimes I do like little live events on TikTok. And I was just on there talking about doing my girly talks. I always do girly talks. So now I'm finally gonna wash this makeup off. I wanted to show y'all why I don't record in the house at night. I don't do too much content in the house unless it's TikTok, but like when it comes to vlogs and stuff, I hate recording in the house. Okay, well, this is entirely too dark because the light is not on. Okay, let's see. There we go. This is the real light in my house. It's like no light. It's like the worst lighting. Look at this. So that's why I don't like recording videos in the house, because I don't have any light in here. And I have a random stripper pole right there. I wish I could give it away, but it would be hard to ship. But I don't want it anymore, and I know people love stripper poles. And they're very expensive, but I don't want it anymore. I have to figure out how to throw away a stripper pole. But I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here so I can get in bed and go to bed. My face is still looking cray, but I'm gonna wash it off and do my same routine that I showed you guys in the beginning of this video, because that is what I've been sticking to for the last 2 weeks. And then I'm gonna go to bed because I'm so tired.